Welcome to the EVault Endpoint Protection Dashboard tutorial. When a new account is created, the user will not receive an email with a passcode to access the system. To obtain the passcode, simply click on Forgot Password and the system will send the code to the address specified. If you don't see the message in your inbox, check your spam filter. Once you have the code, you can click on the link provided in the email, or you can copy the code, select either Are you a first-time user or use password code, and paste it into the proper field. It will then prompt you to set a password. Now that we're logged in, the first thing you'll see is the home screen. This screen will give you a breakdown of your total number of users and devices, as well as the activity summary of all the devices associated with your email account. To make changes to your account, click on My Profile to the left. From there, you will be able to change your name, email address, default profile, user roles and permissions, and your password. Remember, permissions give your user account access to your account and devices only. To give the user account access to make changes to other users and devices, you will need to assign the appropriate role. To view and edit other user accounts or devices, simply click the number in the desired category. From the user account screen, you can view all users in your organization. To view the user's details, highlight the desired user and click the User Details button. From the User Details screen, you can view and edit the user's devices, permissions, and roles. From here, we'll go ahead and click on Home, and then Devices. The Devices screen will show you all of the devices in your organization, as well as the account it's associated with, its policy, usage information, and last backup status. When you view the device details, it will give you the system information of the computer it's installed on and the recent job history. Off to the left, we have a number of actions we can perform on this device. The first is Device Activity, which will give us a more detailed breakdown of the recent backup jobs. Then we have Edit Device Details, which will allow us to change the device name, policy, and the storage quota. By default, the storage quota is 25 gigabytes. This is a soft quota, meaning that once the user is nearing the quota limit, it will send an email notification, but backups will continue. You can contact support to have this changed to a hard quota, which will stop all backups once the quota is met. Suspending the device will stop all backups until it is unsuspended. Deleting data from the device will send out a data deletion command, so the next time the agent is online, it will wipe all of the data in the backup selection. Cancel device will stop your backups and wipe the data from our vault, which will prevent you from restoring data. This process is not reversible. Reset device is used when you need to reinstall the application while maintaining access to your backed up data. You will be required to type in a passphrase when resetting the device. Once reset, it will generate a new activation code you will use when reinstalling. To create a new user or device, you can either click New Device or New Other. When creating a new device, you will be prompted to select an account to assign the device to. If you leave the search field blank, it will pull up all user accounts. If you have a large number of users, you can use the user's name, email address, or ID to locate the account. When creating a new user account, you can specify the name, email address, time zone, policy, and user permissions, as well as whether or not they can access the dashboard. We'll go ahead and create a test user here. And next. When creating a new device, you can specify the device name, which has to be unique, the policy, and the quota. And next. And create device. And this concludes our EEP dashboard tutorial. Thank you for watching.